Hello IMVUzers, Roy here in the IMVU catalog, and today we're going to be shopping for femboy clothing. For those of you that do not know, femboy is a term used to refer to those that use a feminine aesthetic but still identify as male. To start to create our femboy look, I first look up the term femboy to view items tagged with it. I always like to sort by newest so I can see the latest clothing released to the catalog. Well, this hair is pretty cute, but I think I actually want to start with skins first. The creator that makes a lot of femboy skins is iTrap, so I'm going to look at their shop. As you notice, I actually own a couple of them already. Another thing that you'll want is a cute head. I'm going to try on the bay head for this one. I already have this one in my inventory, but you can find it in my shop. I want to change to a shadowless room. I like this one because it's a simple solid color, and you can hide the sign just by using the trigger word. As much as I like this hair, I'm going to explore some other options as well. The shop feature also has an undo button, so if you want to go back, you just press that here. And with my hair chosen, I'm going to go and browse some more tops. SoullessHallow always has some really great stuff for femboys. And of course, my boyfriend Kyle always makes some great stuff as well. I think this one's my favorite. Now time to pick out some bottoms. Who doesn't love a cute bottom? Maybe something like this. It's actually layers, so it looks like I could put something else on underneath. Such as these matching stockings they made. I want to explore the catalog a little bit more though. Now to accessorize. You can also save your outfits in shops so you don't lose your progress if you close out or if you don't have enough time by going to your worn items and pressing save outfit right there. This mesh is really cute. I might have to derive from it later. Skirt is really cute, but I'm going to explore the catalog a little bit further first. can also find some clothing that's good for femboy looks by looking up kawaii or cute. Poetic also seems to have really great high quality items. For this skirt, I'm actually going to put on these bottoms by Nerdheardz. They have this nice little fishnet pattern, and I think they go well with the skirt. I am starting to like this look that I have put together. It has a bit more of a goth theme, which I've always liked. And femboy can be a lot of things. It can be more cutesy, it can be more like a trap, it can be more like a twink. It can be basically whatever you want. With the base of my outfit done, I'm going to start looking at some femboy avatars, again sorting by newest. When trying out avatars, you'll probably want to put a bench or couch down so that you can try out the sit poses, but for the purposes of this video, I'm going to skip that for now. I think what this outfit needs is a nice choker. I want to find something for the head like a hairband or a bow. I'm really going all out on the cutesy look today. And I'm trying to find some eyebrows that will match my hair. I find white eyebrows actually kind of hard to find. Let's zoom in there real good. Get a good close-up right there, right inside the head. That is obviously the best way to test out eyebrows. What? I guess maybe I have the wrong head or something there. As I thought, I'm not having much luck with eyebrows, so I'm just gonna use my own. Now, I want to find some makeup that goes with my head. I don't want it to float over, so I'm going to look specifically at my head type, and then go to the root item right here, and then over to the mask item, which is right here. And then I can see what has been derived from this to see what is available in makeups for this specific head. I'm going to try on some other skins just so I can see what the makeup items look like in comparison. I have some of my kawaii skins in my inventory, and then I'm going to put up iTrap shop in the client so that I can also try a variety of different skins. Damn, I was hoping to find some makeup with some lip gloss or something, but didn't have too much luck here. At least I found something by Nerdheardz. The more cute skins I have is by the user named Jacques. I noticed at some point when I was trying on the makeups, it actually bumped off my necklace. So I have to put something else back on maybe, or maybe I can find the same one still. So the makeup and the necklace are actually on the same channel, and that's why they bump each other off like that. So I'll have to use something else. Hey, so I guess the color is making a comeback then. I guess it matches the outfit nicely anyway. Actually, these boots already match too. I got them from user Vatu, and they were the ones I was wearing since the start of the video. I think I'll just keep them on. With my look complete, I can now take the plunge and make the final purchase. Make sure that if you do have any room items that you don't accidentally buy those. Unless you do already own them, then you don't have to worry. As you can see on my main page, my outfit didn't quite seem to save perfectly. This seems to happen from time to time. Sometimes resaving it helps. Sometimes you do have to re-equip another item or something like that, but for the most part it's not a big issue. Whenever I make a new outfit, I always like to post a picture of it for the feed. It's usually better to have a nicer room or something like that, but for now I'm just going to deal with the black dress-up background. Thanks for watching the video and happy shopping!